The EWS-1 from Park Tool was designed to make the installation and removal of bicycle electronic shifting wires and batteries quick and easy. The EWS-1 features two angled Shimano Di2 E-tube ends for the installation and removal of wires in tight spaces. The EWS-1 also has a universal coin cell tool for removing and installing battery covers, including those found in SRAM E-Tap systems. Made from a durable composite body and featuring a design based on the classic Park Tool 3-way hex wrench, the EWS-1 fits perfectly in the palm and on your shop wall. The EWS-1 from Park Tool.